Are you just starting out on your credit journey and you want a credit card, but the large banks have consistently declined your applications? Or maybe you already have an established line of credit. Either way, I'm going to review a credit card that may be a great fit for your lifestyle. Most people have probably heard of One Main Financial, as the company is best known for its undeviating marketing strategy for its personal loans. However, many people aren't aware of the two credit cards they offer: the Brightway MasterCard and the Brightway Plus MasterCard. And I'm going to go over the differences between the two cards momentarily. Now, the card's slogan is "Get the card that just keeps getting better." What do they mean by that? Get the card that just keeps getting better. Let's just take a closer look at the card together to determine if we agree with their slogan. So guys, this company prides itself on rewarding customers who use the card in a responsible way by providing tools and guidance with their easy to use app and payment tracker. In fact, there are several ways to get rewarded throughout your credit journey as a card holder. With this card, you may qualify for a credit limit increase, which helps to boost your credit score, of course, or even better, an APR decrease, which will save you money over the life of the loan. And this can occur in as little as 6 months of having a card. All the company requires of you is to make 6 on-time consecutive payments. A lower APR is really a great incentive, especially with the high inflation we are currently experiencing. When they lower your APR, that means you're going to have more money in your pocket. If you're currently working overtime or tapping into your savings account to cover, the cost of goods and services for those essential items that we use on a daily or weekly basis, perhaps this will, decrease your likelihood of having to do those things to cover those costs. And you know what? Just by having a lower APR, basically, I'm sure most people will welcome that opportunity because it's going to definitely put more money back into your wallet. There is so much more to this card. Do you like getting cash back? Not only will you receive 1% cash back, but it will automatically be applied to your account. And that is one less thing you have to concern yourself with, because you are probably already busy enough with the kids, the spouse, and the job. One Main Financial understands that you get busy and can't always keep track of what's happening with your credit. So they do some of the work for you by allowing you to be able to track your spending and payments, which leads toward unlocking additional rewards with your Brightway MasterCard. And you can get started today when you apply online, and it only takes a few minutes to see if you are approved for the card. I have gone over all the goodies as it pertains to this card. Now I'm going to go over some things you want to make note of and take into consideration before accepting the card offer. As I stated earlier, there is the Brightway MasterCard and the Brightway Plus MasterCard. So the Brightway MasterCard is designed for those, just starting out on your credit journey, or for those who are trying to rebuild their credit. And the credit limit for this card is capped out at $300. And there is also an annual fee that caps out at $65. Now the Brightway Plus card is for those who have already, established a credit history. You're a veteran when it comes to this credit thing. Now the Brightway Plus has a maximum credit limit of $3,000, and there isn't an annual fee. And with both cards, the APR is 99%, but of course, I'm just going to go ahead and round that up to 27%, which is on the high side, when it comes to APR. So, do take that into consideration when you are making purchases with this card. And both cards have a cashback amount of 1%, which is great. And if you do get selected for the Brightway MasterCard, it is possible to upgrade to the Brightway Plus if you make on-time payments. Also, at the moment, the card is being offered by invitation only. However, if you have received an invitation in the mail from One Main Financial for their loan product, I'm pretty sure, since you're already on their mailing list, that there's a good chance that you will receive an invitation from one of these credit cards. So there you have it. You now know about the One Main Financial Brightway and Brightway Plus MasterCard. I have gone over the pros and cons of the card. The topics discussed today is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Make sure you click that subscribe and like button. Understanding and embracing the benefits that come with being wise with credit is the difference between living a life that you want and deserve and not spending a lifetime dreaming of a lifestyle you could have. I'm Sandra with Credit Curiosity. Until our next conversation, be happy, healthy, and keep making those smart credit moves.